to fix Steam game not opening. First, you want to simply open your Steam over here, and if you're still having any kinds of problem while launching any kinds of game on Steam, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your Steam over here. You can simply close the website over here, or if you're using the application, you can simply close the application as well. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply reopen the application or reopen the website over here. You want to simply go to your website, tap on Steam, and by doing so you'd be able to log in into your account over here again, and you want to simply launch the application again or the game again. And if you're still having any kinds of problem, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your computer first. After that, you want to simply check for internet connection as well. You can simply tap on Wi-Fi settings over here, tap on settings, and by doing so, if you have any kinds of internet error, you'd be able to follow it from here, and you'd be able to fix it over here as well. If that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply switch to any kinds of network that is actually working, and by doing so you want to simply launch the application again, and you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.